I'm Gaia.
Hi, I'm Tara.
We're both part of the TG tribe. We explore the world of vitality and try to unlock the secrets of living longer and
feeling stronger.
We love to learn what keeps us humans healthy and happy for as long as we live, which might be forever.
Who knows?
So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe to help grow the channel.
Folks who embrace this diet have taught us that it's longer and longer. It's like they thought.
Ever felt like your meals are missing that magic touch? What if I told you that the secret isn't in exotic ingredients, but in balance? Hold on to your forks because we're about to serve up the ultimate guide to crafting the perfect plate. Dive in with us and discover the art of a balanced diet.
In our previous video, we delved into the ideal diet for a long, healthy life. We discovered that there isn't a universal magic diet formula, but rather you have to think of it as a wardrobe. Finding the right dietary fit is as personal as selecting the perfect outfit for your distinct body and vibrant lifestyle. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to diet. It's all about discovering the right balance tailored to you. In this video, we'll explore the essence of what truly constitutes a balanced diet.
So a balanced diet is a way of eating that provides the necessary nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs for optimal health and functioning. Consuming a balanced diet means eating a wide variety of foods in the right proportions to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight and overall well-being. Now, let's delve deeper into these nutrients, starting with one of the primary sources of energy for our bodies.
Carbs, carbs, carbs. They're like that misunderstood friend in every teen movie. They've got a bad rep, but deep down, they're the life of the party. Let's break it down.
Carbohydrates are like the Energizer Bunny for our bodies. They don't just fuel our dance moves on a Friday night, but also keep our brains sharp so we can win those late night trivia games. And hormones in check. No more blaming chocolate cravings on them. But here's the plot twist. Not all carbs wear the same cape. Some are sneaky villains in disguise. Those high glycemic baddies like refined sugars and processed grains might give you a quick energy boost, but they're also plotting against your heart and plotting world domination, or at least a sugar crash.
On the flip side, the low glycemic heroes found chilling in whole grains, legumes, and veggies are here to save the day, boost your health, and maybe even add a few years to your epic life story.
Alright folks, now let's talk about the unsung hero of the food world, fiber. It's like the backstage crew of a rock concert. You might not see it, but boy does it make the show run smoothly. Fiber is that friend who's always got your back, especially when things, well, get a bit clogged up. It's been making waves in the health scene, promising better gut jams, fewer sick days, and maybe even a few more trips around the sun.
Fiber comes in two fabulous flavors, soluble and insoluble. Imagine soluble fiber as that friend who gets all gooey and emotional during sad movies. It turns into a gel when it meets water, which helps keep your blood sugar steady and your cholesterol in check. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, is that no-nonsense buddy who doesn't change for anyone, making sure everything moves along in your digestive tract.
Want to join the fiber party? Dive into a world of whole grains like the ever-popular oats, perfect for those Insta-worthy breakfast bowls, and the exotic quinoa. Get cozy with legumes, lentils, and chickpeas are not just for hipster cafes. And veggies? Broccoli's got more fiber than a 90s flannel shirt, and spinach is always ready to join the mix. And for dessert? Berries, apples, and citrus fruits are the fiber-packed sweet treats you didn't know you needed. So next time you're planning a meal, remember to invite fiber. It's the life of the digestive party.
Now, people, gather round. Let's chat about the rock star of the nutrition world, protein. It's not just for bodybuilders flexing in front of mirrors. It's the unsung hero that's patching you up after that epic trip over your own feet. Protein is like the duct tape of our bodies. It fixes, builds, and holds things together. From bulging biceps to the chatty cells gossiping about last night's dinner, protein is a VIP guest at the body's party. But here's the twist. Not all proteins are created equal. Imagine proteins as a band. Some are the full package, belting out every note perfectly. Others, well, they might forget the lyrics halfway through. The best proteins give us all the essential amino acids, the body's favorite tunes, and since our bodies can't write these songs themselves, we need to jam to them through our diet.
Now, plants can rock the protein stage too. Ever tried a rice and beans duet? That's a chart-topping combo right there. Plus, plant proteins are like the indie artists of the protein world, often having a unique sound, or in this case, lower levels of certain amino acids, that some studies suggest could be the secret to an encore in life. But wait, there's more. Animal proteins, while often headlining the show, might need to be enjoyed in moderation. Think of them as the divas of the protein world. A little goes a long way. But don't kick them off the tour just yet. They've got some killer solos. The bottom line? Mix up your protein playlist. A bit of plant groove, a touch of animal rhythm, and you've got yourself a longevity concert for the ages.
Moving on to fats. No, not the kind that makes your genes scream for mercy after the holidays, but the superstar fats that have your body singing praises, omega-3s. Now, fats often get a bad rap. They're like that misunderstood rock star that smashes guitars but also donates to charity. And among these misunderstood fats, omega-3s are the lead singers with golden voices. They're the rock stars of the health world, belting out hits like Heart Health Anthem, Brain Boost Boogie, and Inflammation Reduction Rhapsody. Let's meet the band members. EPA, the cool bassist that keeps your heart grooving. DHA, the lead guitarist shredding solos for brain health. ALA, the drummer, often overshadowed but essential for the band's rhythm, found jamming in plant-based foods.
Fish like salmon and mackerel are like the platinum albums of the omega-3 world, packed with EPA and DHA. But if you're more into the indie scene, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are dropping some ALA beats. And while fish-derived omega-3s are like chart-topping hits, plant-based ones come with a bonus tracks like fiber and antioxidants. So whether you're a hardcore fish fan or a plant-based enthusiast, there's an omega-3 playlist for everyone. And for those looking for the VIP experience, Fish Row is like the backstage pass to cognitive benefits. Just be ready to splurge a bit on those tickets. In short, don't let fats be the unsung heroes of your diet. Turn up the volume on omega-3s and let the health concert begin. Vitamin A, the night vision goggles of vitamins. Loves hanging out in sweet potatoes, carrots, and kale. Also a fan of beef liver, but who's judging?
Vitamin B1, the energy drink of the vitamin world. Found jamming in sunflower seeds and lentils. Keeps your nerves and your heart grooving.
Vitamin B2, the cell's personal trainer. Loves a good almond yogurt smoothie and occasionally crashes in mushrooms.
Vitamin B3, the cellular phone operator and skincare guru. often spotted in tuna and salmon, making sure everyone's connected.
Vitamin B5, the hormone whisperer, chills in avocados and salmon. Also a fan of sunflower seeds and shiitake mushrooms.
Vitamin B6, the brain's personal DJ spinning tracks for development. Loves a good chickpea salad and tuna sandwich.
Vitamin B7, the beauty influencer of vitamins, obsessed with egg yolks, almonds, and sweet potatoes. Hashtag hair goals.
Vitamin B9, the DNA architect, often seen in green rooms like spinach and Brussels sprouts, sketching out blueprints.
Vitamin B12, the nerve's bodyguard and red blood cells coach, hangs out in seafood joints and occasionally visits the beef liver bar.
Vitamin C, the body's personal shield and collagen producer. Loves tropical vacations with guavas and kiwis.
Vitamin D, the bone builder, sunbathes in cod liver oil and enjoys fatty fish picnics.
Vitamin E, the cell's personal bodyguard. Nuts about almonds and hazelnuts, also an avocado enthusiast.
Vitamin K, the wound healer and bone supporter, often seen in green parties with kale, spinach, and Brussels sprouts.
So next time you're munching on these foods, give a nod to these vitamin superheroes, ensuring your body's engine purrs like a kitten. To health, vitality, and the never-ending quest for the perfect avocado.
Now folks, let's talk about minerals, the rock stars of our bodies. They're not just things you find in caves, they're in our food and keep our bodies jamming. Let's meet the band.
Calcium, the lead singer known for its strong bone vibes, loves to hang out in collard greens and tofu. Also has a side gig with teeth.
Magnesium, the drummer, setting the rhythm for our energy, has a thing for bones and is the peacekeeper for muscles and nerves.
Potassium, the basis keeping everything balanced. Loves a good beach green smoothie and occasionally crashes banana and avocado parties.
Sodium, the keyboardist, more than just a salty personality. Essential for fluid jams and muscle grooves, often spotted in pickles and shrimp cocktail parties.
Zinc, the band's manager, guarding our immune system and making sure everyone's in sync. Big fan of oysters and cashew snacks.
Copper, the electric guitarist, energizing the crowd and connecting the band's vibes. Has a sweet tooth for dark chocolate and shiitake mushrooms.
Manganese, the backup singer, strengthening the band's backbone and adding some antioxidant flair. Loves mussels and pumpkin seed munchies.
Boron, the newbie, lesser known but with a unique sound. Essential for brainy solos and bone beats. Often seen with raisins and avocados.
Iodine, the sound engineer, tuning the thyroid and setting the metabolic beat. A seafood enthusiast, especially seaweed and cod.
Selenium, the special effects guru, lighting up the stage with antioxidant effects. Crazy about Brazil nuts and sardines.
So next time you're munching away, give a shout out to these mineral rock stars, ensuring your body's concert keeps rocking on. Encore! Last but not least, let's dive into the world of phytonutrients, nature's own superheroes. They might sound like alien invaders, but trust me, they're here to save the day and maybe add a few years to our lives. Phytonutrients, or as I like to call them, plant magic potions aren't essential, but boy do they pack a punch. From fighting off bad guys like inflammation to giving us that youthful glow, they're the unsung heroes of the plant kingdom.
Anthocyanins are the fashionistas of the phytonutrient world. They give fruits their fabulous red, purple, and blue outfits. Found partying in blueberries and cherries, they're known for their antioxidant swagger and anti-inflammatory dance moves.
Physiotine is like the cool kid on the block. Found chilling in strawberries and onions, it's not just about the good looks. This flavonoid is a master of defense, fighting off diseases and maybe even turning back the clock a bit.
Quercetin is the multitasker. Found in apples and berries, it's like the Swiss Army knife of phytonutrients. From heart defense to brain boosts, it's got a tool for everything.
Resveratrol is the celebrity of the group, often spotted in red grapes and peanuts. It's been in the tabloids for its potential age-defying tricks, but the jury's still out on its full list of talents.
Pterostilbene is resveratrol's cooler cousin. Found in blueberries and certain fancy tree barks, it's like resveratrol but with an upgrade. It's got all the benefits, but it sticks around longer and even throws in some extra perks.
So next time you're munching on some fruits or veggies, give a nod to these plant superheroes working behind the scenes to keep you feeling fabulous!
To achieve a truly balanced diet, it's essential to embrace a variety of nutrients from every food category. This ensures a comprehensive intake of diverse and beneficial nutrients. Your diet should encompass a colorful array of fruits, a rich selection of vegetables, grains with a focus on wholesome whole grains, diverse protein sources including meat, poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes, dairy products or their healthful alternatives. While embracing a variety of foods is key to a balanced diet, it's equally crucial to limit the consumption of processed and packaged items. These often harbor excessive salt, sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives.
In our video on the best diet for longevity, we highlighted that many of the world's oldest individuals enjoy a daily glass of wine. While wine can be a delightful treat with documented health advantages, the key is always moderation. While we might wish otherwise, wine isn't the answer to staying hydrated. Instead, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit your intake of sugary beverages and excessive caffeine. A balanced diet not only supports physical health, but also contributes to mental well-being. It's always a good idea to consult with a nutritionist or healthcare provider to determine the best dietary choices for individual needs. In summary, here's your guide to healthier choices. Embrace healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Minimize saturated and trans fats, often lurking in fried foods, baked treats, and processed snacks. Opt for lean proteins like poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and low-fat dairy while limiting red and processed meats. Choose nutrient-rich whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat over their refined counterparts. Cut back on sugary drinks, treats, and desserts, and always scan labels for hidden sugars in packaged foods. In our upcoming video, we'll dive deep into the intriguing topic of why sugar is a silent adversary for your body. You won't want to miss this eye-opening revelation, so stay tuned and get ready to be amazed. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it,
and please make sure to subscribe to help grow the channel.